What if your car could last 500,000 miles without a single major repair? Most people think that's impossible. They believe every car has an expiration date, that after 200,000 miles, it's living on borrowed time. But they're wrong, because out there on dusty highways and frozen back roads, a rare few machines keep going. 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 miles, still starting like day one. They don't survive through luck or miracle. They survive through engineering, discipline, and secrets car makers rarely talk about. These aren't luxury cars that sit under covers. They're workhorses, family haulers, and daily drivers that quietly outlive the rest. And today we're counting down the legendary cars that defy age itself. The machines built to cross 500,000 miles without losing heart. By the end of this video, you'll understand the truth. What makes these cars immortal, and how you can make yours join their ranks. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser isn't a vehicle. It's a survival machine. Built like a tank, it's crossed deserts, jungles, and war zones, and still keeps running past 500,000 miles like it's nothing. Its secret? An over-engineered 4.7-liter V8, a bulletproof cooling system, and a transmission that barely breaks a sweat even under torture. Every part was built with one mission: never fail, no matter what. Even when neglected, it refuses to quit. That's why Land Cruisers from the 90s still sell for premium prices today. Because they don't age, they endure. Number 2. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is the humble sedan that simply refuses to die. From the late 90s classics to today's smooth hybrids, it's earned loyalty for one thing: balance. Its engines are simple, yet durable. Its maintenance, cheap and predictable. Its design, timeless. While other cars chase luxury or power, the Accord just keeps moving. Year after year, mile after mile. Many owners quietly pass 500,000 miles with nothing more than routine oil changes and gentle driving. It's living proof that reliability doesn't need flash or fame, only smart engineering and steady care. Number 3. Toyota Sequoia. The Toyota Sequoia is a gentle giant, built not for show, but for endurance. Beneath its massive frame beats the same heart as the Land Cruiser, a legendary 4.7-liter V8 built to survive the impossible. Fleet owners tell stories of Sequoias running for 2 decades straight, towing, climbing, and enduring climates that destroy lesser SUVs. Its maintenance is simple, its parts last forever, and its strength never fades. When a Sequoia finally retires, it's rarely because the engine failed. It's usually because the owner aged, not the machine. Number 4. Ford F-250/F-350 Superduty. The Ford Superduty isn't just a truck, it's America's backbone. Built to haul, plow, and pull through punishment, it earns respect the hard way, one brutal mile at a time. Powered by the legendary Power Stroke diesel, these beasts routinely pass 500,000 miles while towing heavy loads daily. Their secret? Simple engineering and massive component margins. From suspension arms to cooling lines, every part is designed to endure extremes. They're not built for comfort, they're built for forever. Not flashy, not fragile, just immortal steel that never quits. Number 5. Lexus LS400. When Lexus entered the luxury market in the late 80s, they didn't aim to compete. They aimed to outlast. The result was the LS400, a sedan so perfectly engineered, it redefined reliability itself. Its 1UZ-FEV8 became a legend. Silky smooth, whisper quiet, and nearly unbreakable. Even after 500,000 miles, these engines still idle like new. Owners often joke that LS400s don't die. They're only lost through neglect, because this car wasn't built for trends or prestige. It was built with precision that outlives its own badge. Number 6. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback is the quiet survivor of the North. Where snow, salt, and freezing winters destroy ordinary cars, the Outback endures. Mile after brutal mile. Its secret lies in all-wheel drive, simple boxer engines, and a corrosion-resistant body designed for survival, not style. From the icy roads of Alaska to the mountain trails of Canada, owners report 400,000 miles and counting. Without a single engine rebuild, it's proof that reliability isn't about speed or power. It's about lasting when everything else gives up. Number 7, Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is the quiet family SUV that never stops running. It doesn't roar or race. It simply endures. Beneath its mild exterior lies one of Honda's most reliable hearts ever, the K-Series engine. Paired with low-stress gearing and a bulletproof transmission, it glides past 300,000 miles and keeps going strong. CR-Vs age slowly, burn almost no oil, and thrive on the simplest maintenance. They don't chase attention or adrenaline, just eternity on 4 wheels. It's not exciting. It's nearly eternal. Number 8, Toyota Tacoma. Mechanics call it the forever truck, because no matter where it goes, from the burning deserts of Nevada to the rain-soaked forests of Oregon, the Toyota Tacoma just keeps going. Its simple design, tough frame, and naturally aspirated engines resist both time and terrain. It's small enough to maneuver anywhere, yet strong enough to outlive bigger, flashier rivals. Owners drive them past 500,000 miles without touching a major component. It doesn't break, it endures. Proof that sometimes the lightest trucks carry the heaviest legacy. Number 9, Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD isn't a showpiece. It's a badge of honor for people who work hard. Built to haul, dig, and endure, it earns every mile the long way through sweat and grit. With its Duramax diesel engine, these trucks hit 500,000 miles on nothing more than routine maintenance. Their strength lies in simplicity. No fragile electronics, just pure torque and heavy-duty parts forged for punishment. From construction sites to cross-country hauls, the Silverado doesn't rest. It works, it lasts, and when others quit, it keeps coming back for more. Number 10, Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is small, quiet, and everywhere, yet almost impossible to kill. It doesn't chase luxury or attention, it just does what it was born to do: work flawlessly. With millions built, Toyota perfected its formula. Minimal stress, efficient cooling, and easy repair. No drama, no excess, just reliability refined to science. Owners across the world report 400,000 to 600,000 miles on original engines, and they're still running smooth. It's not the fastest car on the road. It's simply the most faithful companion ever built. The secret behind their longevity. None of these cars reach 500,000 miles by accident. They endure because they share a code. Simple engines, proven transmissions, and materials built to last. But their greatest secret isn't mechanical. It's human. They survive because their owners act early, not late. They don't wait for problems. They prevent them. They don't chase trends. They trust time. The real lesson? Longevity isn't about what you drive. It's about how you drive, how you care, and how you stay consistent. Every oil change, every filter, every habit adds another mile to immortality. 500,000 miles isn't a miracle, it's a decision. These cars prove that discipline outlives horsepower, that small, quiet habits, oil changes, inspections, patience, build legacies stronger than speed ever could. Every mile they travel is proof that care defeats chaos, that attention is more powerful than luck. So ask yourself, will your car become another statistic at 180,000 miles, or a legend that keeps rolling toward 500,000? Because the truth is simple. The difference isn't under the hood, it's behind the wheel. it's you. Every driver chooses the story their car will tell: breakdown or endurance, regret or pride. And that story starts with one small choice: to care early and never stop. Now it's your turn. Which car do you trust the most? Share it in the comments. Your answer might inspire another driver to keep theirs alive. And if you love real car secrets that protect your wallet and your ride, subscribe now, because the next video could save you thousands.